everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Melissa, aka Naturalizta.beauty. Today I have a surprise. I will be filming a holiday hairstyle collab with one of my friends and fellow beauty bloggers named Naturalizta. Today I will be filming a luscious twist out with a Bantu knot out on the side. So this is something that I've seen a few times on Instagram and we wanted to try it today. I already have my hair detangled and I just had it sitting in 2 braids. This video will also be featuring the natural hair brand Bask and Bloom. These are the 2 products that we will be using. So on my side, I will be using the More Moisture Cream. Moisturizes, nourishes, defines, and strengthens. So it gives moisture like a leave-in conditioner. And then after, I will be using the Silky Aloe Curl Pudding. It defines, also moisturizes, and boosts shine. So Naturalizta is also a natural hair page. It's a joint page with 2 friends who are sorority sisters, and they also feature a lot of things on their page. So I will be noting it down below, and if you want to, you can check them out. And I highly encourage you to also check out their hair video because we're doing the same style. So whenever you get a chance after you finish reviewing this video, go check out theirs. Thank you. So what I'm doing right now, I am taking out my 2 braids. I recently had a deep treatment wash and blow where I did a mini haircut because my ends were kind of all over the place. And look at this already looks like a style. So my hair is slightly shorter than my last hair video, which is still good because at the end of the day, it's all about health and it's not about length. So what I'm doing here is just parting different sections of my hair so that I can just move through each section without stopping. Most of the time when I do my hair, I usually start from the back. So right now I'm spraying the back and starting to section it off so I can take it from the bottom up. During this video, I am using the LCO method where I sprayed a leave-in, I'm using a cream, and then I'm using a sealant to seal the moisture in. In this case, I'm using the curl pudding and an oil at the end of each part of my hair. So for the first twist, I'm going to show you how I start. I try to start as close to my scalp as possible. As I'm twisting, I'm smoothing each of the 2 hair strands and I'm making sure that the twist is tight. If it is a loose twist, it might not be as defined as you want it. Here you see me stopping about 2/3 down to add more moisture to my ends and detangle before I continue to twist and coil. When I get to the bottom of the twist, I just stop twisting and I twirl the hair around my finger until it makes a mini coil. So y'all, I'm showing y'all a few more parts of the twist and then I'm gonna fast forward. Don't mind me, I'm just chatting on the phone, but let's take a look at that moisture as I'm twisting. Like, yes. So now we're in the front and I have a little section left. So I think I'm gonna section this off in 3 parts. So what I decided to do with this little section is moisturize it and then just fix it tomorrow during the takedown of the rest of my hair. So I sealed down the moisture of that big section with a big twist. Hey y'all, I am back. So before you take down your style, it's always a good idea to apply oil to your hands and your fingertips to help avoid frizz during the takedown. And I just feel like you can smooth everything down with the oil. During this process, you should take your time, and I did take my time, but for the benefit of this video, I am speeding through. So far, you can see the definition, and I'm separating right now. Before I do this last section, I'm just fluffing all around my head to just make my hair look bigger. So, what kind of part should I do? Before I start the Bantu knots, I will be smoothing the edges down just a little bit with some edge control and a brush. So I'm only doing 2 Bantu knots and I'm showing you the first one, and then I'm gonna fast forward to show you the end result of the second one. So here's both of our end results. I don't know about y'all, but with these 4 eyes, I am seeing definition, honey. After recording this video, I was ready to walk down the street like I am that chick, like what's up? But on a serious note, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. And thank you for watching.